guys, welcome back to my channel AV Karma. My name is Anjali and hope you all are doing great and are perfectly fine. So as you saw the title, you probably know that what is going to be in this video. But before getting into the video, I want to tell you guys why I am so excited to cut my hairs. That is because I was in 8th standard, I guess, and that was the last time I had short hair. And afterwards I always had long hairs. Like you can see, I have pretty long hairs. Still the length of my hair is pretty long, you can see, right? So yeah, so I am very excited to cut my hairs because I want to see that how that will look now. And also, if you guys know me personally, so you probably know that I always had long hairs ever since you have seen me. How many years ago? Like 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. It's been 6 years since I cut my hair and I want to cut this. Yes, अभी जस्ट लॉकडाउन जब शुरू हुआ था तब मैंने अपने बाल कट करवाए थे मम्मा से, बट उसके बाद ये फिर से बड़े हो गए तो मैंने इस बार सोचा है कि मैं इसे शॉर्ट कर लूँ. बिफोर गेटिंग स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो, आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू लाइक दिस वीडियो राइट नाउ and subscribe to my channel if haven't done yet. Subscribe button will be given down below, and also don't forget to press that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you come to know. Now I think I have said everything that I had to. Now let's get started with the video. इससे पहले मैं बता दूँ, इससे पहले मैंने कभी अपने बाल खुद से कट नहीं करे हैं, तो मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि कैसा टर्न आउट होने वाला है. ट्राई कर लेती हूँ. अभी तो 2 महीने आई गेस, या अक्टूबर में बात हो रही है कॉलेजेस खुलने की, तो या I'm very excited. Hopefully this turn out good. I'm very nervous. Okay, so I am back and I have divided my hair into 4 sections. You can see 4 sections में मैंने divide कर लिया है. अब अगर मेरी थोड़ी सी हिम्मत सी नहीं हो रही है, चलो. I'm going to be using this scissor. I have so much of hairs. मुझे भी शॉर्ट हो गया क्या? Something is wrong. माँ, 1 मिनट सुनना बस. 1 मिनट सुनना. कैसे करते हैं? हाँ? छोटे बड़े हैं क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं है। Then it's just half my hairs are. Actually, I kind of like it. मम्मी का रिएक्शन भी ठीक था. Video. Hope you have enjoyed. I inserted a poll on Instagram that what you guys think, I should get my hair short or not. So as a result, you know. Okay, so if you like the video, then make sure to like this and comment down below that how that turned out, and subscribe to my channel if haven't done yet. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.